state court, now the chief judge of the circuit, Judge Smith, would issue any order
I think
that had any
he's
sort
gonna
of
be doing
permanent
something.
effect
Yes,
as far as fines and all. But this is just basically a temporary order to address the issues that have come up about the coronavirus, COVID-19. And it basically allows any parties, witnesses, attorneys, or anyone that have been through any of the areas in the United States impacted, or if they've returned from any of the foreign countries, that there have been confirmed cases that have been brought to the U.S. from those countries. And we've had cases not in our immediate area, but I believe in Clemson and some close by areas. So just as abundance of precaution, there's the old adage that was said, it's better to be safe than sorry. The court will continue to operate, provide the services to the community, but the utmost importance to the court is the safety of the community. So if anyone feels they've had the flu-like symptoms, any family member has, or if they've been exposed to anyone or been in any of these areas, then they won't be subject to any bench warrants or license suspensions or any penalty for not appearing. We'll conduct court operations unless we get directives from higher up, such as the Georgia Supreme Court, and they just issued their notice that they're monitoring the situation, and so we'll comply with whatever we're directed to do at any future date.
So as far as state court tomorrow, it is on. If you would let people know, it is on. State court is on for tomorrow. The only changes will be if there will be no bench warrants and no failure to appear if they don't show up if they had flu-like symptoms or they've been out of the country.
And then we'll address the matter again in May. I issued this order through the end of April, so hopefully there'll be changes for the better, and the panic will be alleviated, and the public will feel that is safer. But we never know what, in this sort of situation, what the future is going to hold. Nobody knows that, and so I'm sure that there's panic in the financial markets and everywhere else. So we're hoping that things will get better and that we can get back to life as normal. But that's just a matter for our health officials and others to address, and hopefully they can come up with a vaccine that they're working on. They've been able to do that in the past, and hopefully this will be the same sort of situation. And hopefully a year from now, this time next year, everybody's going to be happy and back to normal. But we have to prepare for those urgent, immediate situations, and we want the citizens to know that the court is there to handle any needs that they might have as far as court matters, but we want to make sure that everything's safe. Okay?
All right, sir. Would you like a